everybody, it's me, Lisa, with Hanky Panky. What's up? Hanky Panky Named. And we just had lunch, right?
A wonderful lunch.
And you told me I have to do a landmark for him.
That's right.
You told me I need to get my passport handled. Third person this
Only
month.
if you want to go to Ecuador.
So evidently I'm going to Ecuador in March. And what will I do in Ecuador?
Spiritual healing.
Translation,
And relaxation.
hallucinogenic drugs. I'm gonna have visions. Okay, so anyway, we are doing a lowdown because you live like right near this construction, and so do I, and it never ends. Look at this. Look, hi. I should take this. You hear it in the background? It's crazy construction, and what they did, which is so cool, is like they took this street, 10th and West, between 10th and Alton, no, 10th between Alton and West, hello, and they raised the street. So there's like a hill.
Solid 8 feet.
Yeah, like look, like Starbucks is like below.
Underground.
Super cool.
Underground Starbucks.
And they're doing this because of the wet, the rain, the flooding, the crazy. And so I don't know when this is going to be done. I feel like I
Well, we
live in
got
a...
new parking spaces.
How is this parking spaces?
I don't know why they're vertical.
Maybe this is going to be like a closed thing.
That's going to be a park down there, I think.
I don't know what's happening. This is crazy. If somebody can tell us what's happening, you can hit me up at Lisa the Marketing Chick at gmail.com or Lisa at lovequestmarketing.com, or just Google me and you'll find me.
Lisa@.com.
Whatever, dude. I'm the easiest person to find online ever. So this is the news. You know, South Beach is definitely like, you know,
Getting ready for Art Basel.
Art Basel's coming. There's a lot going on. Hanky Panky, you've been a treat.
Thank you.
Thank you for all of your suggestions, your spiritual enlightenment. Awesome. Bye, everybody.
Ciao.